Good afternoon, class 8. Buenas tardes, clase 8. Today we are going to do a science eyes experiment. We are going to make lava for our volcano. Hoy vamos a hacer un experimento científico. Vamos a hacer lava para nuestro volcán. There are 5 steps to our experiment. Hay 5 pasos para nuestro experimento. Okay? The first step is, el primer paso, we are going to add warm water to our volcano. Vamos a añadir agua tibia a nuestro volcán. Next, we're going to add 3 drops of food coloring. Colorante rojo. After that, we will add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Después de eso, vamos a echarle 2 cucharadas de bicarbonato de sodio. And last, the 5th step, we will add vinegar to our volcano. Vamos a añadirle vinagre a nuestro volcán. Ese va a ser el último paso. Okay, here we go, friends. So the first thing we're going to do is add warm water to our volcano. See, it's the first step, number 1. Here's my warm water. We're going to pour it inside the volcano. Aquí está el agua tibia. La vamos a echar adentro del volcán. Okay. The next step is to add 3 drops of food coloring. Red for red food coloring. R. ¿Sí? Vamos a echar 3 gotas de colorante de comida rojo. Help me count. Ayúdenme a contar. 1, 2, 3. 2 y 3. Okay. Next, we are going to add 6 drops of dishwashing liquid. Vamos a añadir 6 gotas de líquido de fregar, okay? Help me count, friends. Ayúdenme a contar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cuenten hasta 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y 6. Next, we will add our baking soda. Vamos a añadir el bicarbonato de sodio. Carbonato. I have my tablespoon. See, it says 1 tablespoon. Dice una cucharada. Vamos a echarle 2. Help me count, friends. Ready? 1. One more. 2. Okay. Put this to the side. Now our last ingredient is vinegar. El último ingrediente es vinagre. Okay? We're going to put 1/4 cup of vinegar. Una cuarta taza de vinagre. Okay? Oh, I wonder what's going to happen next, friends. Let's see. Here we go. I'm gonna measure. Voy a medir. ¿Qué pasará cuando yo añada esto? It's okay, Mr. Dinosaur. Don't be scared. No te asustes, dinosaurio. Here we go. It's our lava. Oh no! Look, friends. Our lava came out. Salió el lava de el volcán. You see it foaming up here? Oh no. Oh no, it's going to the floor. The floor is lava. I'm melting. Just kidding. I'm here. All right, friends. I hope you liked our science experiment. Please draw me a picture and tell me what you liked the most and what you learned. Espero que les haya gustado el experimento. Me mandan un dibujo de qué les gustó y qué aprendieron. Gracias. Make sure you subscribe.